So these are the materials I'll be using. I'll be using 5 pieces of this thread. My normal crochet hook size 1, my lighter, then my scissors, then my already prepared sew. So now I will show you how I take my measurement. I will show you everything. Just watch out what I'll be doing here. In a slant position, just place your crochet hook. So taking of measurement depends on the design you are making. I don't use tape or lace to take my measurement because I already know where to start and where to end. So for beginners, you can use you can use your lace, not even measuring tape. You can use your lace to know where to start and where to end. So here we count out 7 stitches because I'll be working on 7 stitches here. Then on the 7th stitch, you fix your pin. Yeah, so that's how I got the measurement. Though for you to get the measurement of the second leg and for the second toe, you have to measure them together like this. So you can be able to trace the exact place to fix your pin. Then you start fixing. Now you can see it. So let's start working. So like I said, I'll be working with 5 size 9 army color thread. 5 size 9 thread. So we're starting from here. So remember we are working on 7 stitches. But here I think I have, yes, I have 8 stitches here. So I'll be skipping 1 stitch on the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we skip 1. I have 4 now. Just watch out what I will do now. Don't complete the stitches. So like this, I've reduced it. So I now have the 5th one, the 6th one, and the 7th one. You make your chain, then you turn. So keep working till you work 10 rows. I'm now on the second row. So you work 10 rows of single crochet. At each end, you make your chain, then you continue. Keep working till you work 10 rows. There you can see it. So I'll be repeating what I did here, this other side. You can see it. So we are going to make the round belt. You crochet the round belt. So you first you make your knot, then you make 1 chain. Then continue working single crochet. Then here we're going to work 15 chains. 15 chains. Remember, we're working on size 39. Then continue working your single crochet here. There you can see it. So now we are going to work 37 chains. Then continue working single crochet. So work down to this point. So keep working. So here I'll be working 5 rows of single crochet. At the end of each row, you make 1 chain and turn. So this is the end of first row. So I'm now working on the second row. Work to this point. So keep working to work more 4 rows. Yes, total of 5 rows. Yeah, here is it. So here I'll be working on the front design. Make your knot. Then you crochet 18 chains. Remember, we're working on size 39. Make 18 chains. There you can see it. Then you make a slip stitch. On the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Turn and skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then start working on the 18 chains you made. So this is the first row. Work to this point. Then single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Then you turn and skip 1 stitch. So you can see on the first row, we skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then from the second row, we will start skipping just 1 stitch. So this is the end of second row. You skip 1 stitch. So keep working till work more 2 rows. That is total of 4 rows. You can see it. So we have to make some reduction. Now just watch out what I will do. You work on 5 stitches. On the 5th stitch, you make a slip stitch. You can see it. Then you turn. Skip the slip stitch you make. Then you work down. Then work up again. I also crochet on the slip stitch I made before. That's it. Walk to the end of the row. So I'll be repeating what I did here. I will repeat it this other side. That's it. So you keep walking till you walk to this point. That's it. So on the sides, I have total of 12 rows. Then on the middle, I have total of 10 rows. Yeah, so it's time to fix my buckle. Just stitch it round. That's it. So this design is very simple. Even a beginner can get it perfect. Yeah, you can see it. Simple and beautiful. Wow. So if you love this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Please like so that YouTube will recommend me to other people. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.